The National Weather Service in Binghamton has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for south central Delaware County, northwestern Sullivan County, southeastern Susquehanna County in northeastern Pennsylvania, Lackawanna County in northeastern Pennsylvania, Wayne County in northeastern Pennsylvania, northern Luzerne County in northeastern Pennsylvania, eastern Wyoming County in northeastern Pennsylvania, until 6:30 p.m. At 5:44 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near New Milford to near Dixon City to near Muhlenberg, moving northeast at 65 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and nickel-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Scranton, Wilkes-Barre, Falls, Dunmore, Kingston, Nanticoke, Plains, Carbondale, Old Forge, and Pittston.